Hi, in this video, we are going to learn about the academic tab in Altarap's EduSol website. Okay, so I'm already logged into the website as an admin, and I click on this academic menu bar. So I have many options here like class, subject, section, syllabus, homework, lesson folders, online classes, game folders, and routine. Okay, so what can we do in this? Suppose if I click class, I can see the classes. So I can see that there are already 1 to 10 classes, and in the page 2, I have nursery, LKG, UKG also. Okay, say you want to create one more class. So you have the option of adding one more class here. So say you have 11th class in your school or 12th class in your school. So you click this and you create a new class. All right. So this is about the classes. Very simple option. Let me go to subjects. So here we can create the subjects. For example, first, if you want to see the subjects, you have to select a class. Say first class. Okay. Uh, First class, you have these many subjects: EVS, English, Maths, Hindi, Telugu, Computer Science, and General Knowledge. So here in the Action tab, you have two buttons: Delete also. So if you want to delete, so when do you delete? Suppose by default these subjects are given in every website. Say in your school, in first grade you don't teach GK, so you can delete the subjects, delete the unnecessary subjects which are not being taught in your school. All right. So if you want to add a new subject, say there is a subject like spoken English, so you can add subject and you can create a new subject here. So basically, class for which class? Is it optional or mandatory? What is the pass mark? What is the final mark? Subject name and a subject code for that. Okay, so this is how you create a new subject. So I'm not going to create a new subject. And so this is about it. And the second thing is, if there is any online class going on, here you can see that online class is being taken by Teacher 3. Since this is a demo website, I think there's some testing going on. So students will get the option of joining the online class from here. So they simply click on join, and that starts that lets them join into the online class that's being taken by the teacher. So this is the way students join the online class. Coming to the next part, that's the section. So here it's a very simple thing. Again, select the class. Okay, so how many sections are there? A, B, C, and what is the capacity of each section? 45, 35, 35. Okay, so this is the capacity. And if you want to add one more section, you can add. Or if you want to edit the capacity of the section, you can edit it also. And for each section, this is a section ID. Okay, so generally what happens is I saw that whenever we edit a student details, so I clicked on the student, I went to first class, I want to edit a student in the B section, for example. So B section. So I want to edit him. So the date of birth was wrong. So I edit his date of birth. This is the correct date of birth, and I want to update. I updated him, but it is not taking. Why? Because the section capacity is full. The B section, first class B section capacity is full. Right. But how are we able to update the student when the capacity was full? It was done from the backend, so the student might have got uploaded. Right. So here what we need to do, we have to go back to section, that is first class B section, and increase the capacity. Okay. So as per the plan of the management, you have to increase the capacity. So say I'm going back to this. I'll go to section. I'll open it in new tab. So I'm going to first class and I'm going to edit the B section. So say this school wants to have actually 45 students. So I'll put 45 students. Okay. So then I'll try to update. And now I'll update. So now this is updated successfully. Okay. So this is how this is a place where you edit the capacity of section. Okay, and there are some other features, syllabus. So basically, these here you can add the syllabuses of each class. Class 1, what is the syllabus? Class 2, what is the syllabus? Class 3, what is the syllabus? Suppose if I select a class here, let me see. I don't know if I have any syllabus files here. Okay, there is one syllabus file. This syllabus contains syllabus of all subjects of this class along with the syllabus outlines for formative and summative assessment for the students. And students have the download option here. Okay, if they click this, this will download their syllabus sheet. But how, where will they get it from? When you add it, when the admin adds the syllabus sheets, students will be able to see their syllabuses. Okay, and coming to the next part is homework. So here, uh, again, there are two parameters. One is select the class, and then after that select the subject. So here the homework was given only in Hindi subject, so we can see only this. Write question and answer of first lesson and submit. So this is the title, and this was the file given by the teacher. So if I click on the file, okay, this is something, but this is basically the teacher's file. Since this is a demo website, it hasn't come properly. Then if the teacher wants to see the submissions, so she can click on the view button. So when the students submit the homework, she can see the homeworks here. Right now there are no submissions for this, but generally you can see the list of the students and we can see a view button for the homeworks. Okay, so this is how students see, teacher sees the homework, student or admin also can see the homeworks of the students. And then we have the lesson folders. So basically, what's the lesson folder? Lesson folder is nothing but for every lesson we are creating a folder, and inside that folder we keep the lesson contents like videos or lesson related images, lesson related PDFs, right? So here I click the lesson folder. So now it is asking me which class lesson folders do you want to see. Say I want to see the lesson folders of first class, and I want to see the lesson folder of English. Okay, so these are the this is the lesson folder. So I don't have a good lesson folder here. Just let me check a proper one. Well, these are lesson folders for Hindi, right? But these are only folders. And if you want to see the content inside them, you have to click on View. Then we can see the content here. Now you can see that this page is empty. There is no content inside this. If you want to add content, you can add the content. Okay, basically this you can do because you have the permission to do this. Students will not have the option of adding lesson content. They can only see the lesson content. Suppose if I'm clicking the lesson content option here, it's asking me like what is the title of the lesson content. Okay, suppose this is in the first lesson. I'll write Akshar Mala. Okay, uh, Akshar Mala, and I'll take one YouTube video and embed it here. Dot. So So let me take a good YouTube video. Akshamala Hindi for class 1. Learn Hindi alphabet. Uh, this one also. So let me take this one. I find this one nice.
I want to use my AI knowledge. I want to create chat apps which can talk back to other humans and
So here I have the YouTube link for this.
Hello friends, how are you?
So I'm going to embed this YouTube video here. And what is the link type? Since this is a YouTube video, I have to select YouTube link, and this is uploaded by the school. Add lesson content. Right, so now this video is added here. Now if I click this view button, so I can see that the YouTube video is embedded here. Okay, and students also can see this YouTube video, embedded YouTube video, in their laptops or computers, or even in their Android accounts, Android Edusel Android accounts. And if I come back here, there is one more interesting button, that is history. So if I click history, I can see the history, which student has seen this video and how many times. Okay, the view history and how much time has it spent on a video. So this way we can keep a track of like the students learning, whether they are seeing or not. Right, and so that's about the lesson folder and lesson content. So basically, if I go back to lesson folder again, if I want to add a lesson folder in first class English, for example, I can add a lesson folder here from here. So basically, you can do anything. You can change the software as per your wishes. Next thing is online classes. Say you want to conduct an online class, you want to see or conduct an online class. So here, I'm ending all the live streams. Okay, so you have subject-wise streaming here. Okay, so we will discuss about online classes in our next session. Okay, so in this session, we have learned about how to edit the classes and add new classes, how to edit the subjects, delete the subjects, and add new subjects, how to edit the capacity of sections and how to add new sections, and how to add syllabus sheets. And we have also learned about lesson folders. Homeworks we are going to discuss in next topic, and online classes we are going to discuss in next topic. Thank you.